Live Lingua Spanish, episode 211. Answering, do you like? In the previous episode, we went over asking whether you like a place or not. In this episode, we're going to go over answering that very question. When you answer whether you like a place or not, there are, of course, two ways to answer. Yes or no. Depending on the answer, the form you use will be a little different. So let's say you want to say yes, you like a place. You would say, sí, me gusta. If you answer no, you would say, no me gusta. If you're answering for yourself, you would use the word me, spelled like the Spanish M-E, but pronounced like M-E-H, me. If you're answering for your family or group, you would use the word nos. So for example, if you wanted to say, yes, I like a place, you would say, sí, me gusta. If you wanted to say your family or group like a place, you would say, sí, nos gusta. For this exercise, answer the following questions based on the information we provide for you. Here's an example. If I say, sí, ¿le gusta México? You would answer, sí, me gusta México. If I was to say, no, ¿les gusta México? No, no nos gusta México. Let's get started. Empecemos. No. ¿Le gusta México? Sí. ¿Les gusta Honduras? Sí. ¿Le gusta Buenos Aires? No. ¿Le gusta Santiago? Sí. ¿Les gusta Antigua? No. ¿Les gusta Cartagena? And now let's do it again with the answers included. No. ¿Le gusta México?
No me gusta México.
Sí. ¿Les gusta Honduras?
Sí nos gusta Honduras.
Sí. ¿Le gusta Buenos Aires?
Sí me gusta Buenos Aires.
No. ¿Le gusta Santiago?
No me gusta Santiago.
Sí. ¿Les gusta Antigua?
Sí nos gusta Antigua.
No. ¿Les gusta Cartagena?
No nos gusta Cartagena.
Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.